I don't want you listening to anybody to tell you how you should eat in a day. I want you to be running experiments. At KindEdge, we run experiments to figure out what works, and we do that. And then we run more experiments to always be incorporating more of the better fit things for you and only you, where you are in your life right now. So I'm going to tell you what I eat in a day. I'm going to tell you why I do it, because that's the piece I want you to take away, which is know your why in your body. In KindEdge, we build the foundation for your big life goals. So if you have any sort of big life goal, you want to run a marathon, you want to quit your job and start a new business, you want to become a screenplay writer, you want to start a charity, you want to get a divorce, you want to start living in the country, you want to move to the city. Big life change is going to be a multi-day, multi-week, multi-month, multi-year effort. And what you realize is you will get tripped up and fall down if you don't have your body, your mind, your soul, and your systems and all of your daily habits aligned so that every day you do hard work and then you have good recovery. And then you come back again the next day, and you come back again the next day, and you come back again the next day. And it's only by having the energy and the resilience to come back to do hard things and good things and big efforts on a daily basis. Only by having that good foundation do you achieve the long game, because none of this is a sprint. If you have a big goal, it is not about one big, if you want to become a triathlete, it's not about one big power week where you're like awesome 1 week and then you kind of fall off your workout schedule. You've got to redesign your life to fit the long game and make it easy, make it the default, right? You want the default mode to be that you're training for your triathlon. You don't want to be having to find your shoes every day. You don't want to be, it's not a pill like that. So that is true of mind and mindsets, your body, your physical, your nutrition, your soul, and your systems and your daily rhythms, which I call your habits. And so every single thing we do is looking at, yes, get a clear plan and make it actionable and start fighting for big change in your life to get the change you want in motion. But let's look at the foundation to make sure that that foundation is your springboard. Your foundation needs to be a springboard that makes it easier for you to default into your goal each day, not to have to push into your goal each day. When we look at mind, body, soul, and systems, we're going to look at body. And when we look at body, you know a little bit about my exercise practices, you know a little bit about my rigors of working it in daily.